All right, for this one here, you look at this one here, and there's basically that they want me to prove that 2 and 10 are supplementary. And again, there's no direct link between 2 and 10. But what I do know here is that 2 and 8 are the same. Why are 2 and 8 the same? It's because they're alternate exterior angles. And then I know that 8 and 10 will be supplementary because they're consecutive interior. That's the route I'm going to go. There are many different ways you can do this question. I think that's a pretty, well, it's a two-step process, so it's not too bad. Saying this and then to here. So that's the route I'm going to go here, is to show that this are the same and that 8 and 10 are supplementary. So let's go through that route here. First thing I'm going to do is point out that 2 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. So after my givens here, I'm going to say here that angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. That they're alternate exterior angles. Again, the reason is it's the definition of an alternate exterior angle. Okay, so it's the definition of this. Once I do that, I can say here that the measurement of angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 8, or sorry, not plus, but they're equal to each other, pardon me. And the reason is, okay, not plus, but they're equal to each other because of the alternate exterior angle theorem. Because of the alternate exterior angle theorem. So now I've proven these are the same. Okay, so now I've shown that 2 is the same as 8. Next, let's prove that 8 and 10 add up to 180. I know that angle 8 and angle 10 are consecutive, okay, they're consecutive interior angles. Angle 8 and angle 10 are consecutive interior angles. And again, the reason is it's just a definition of a consecutive interior angle. Okay, it's the definition of that. Well, once I've shown that they're the same, now I can show that they're supplementary. And so I know here that angle 8 and angle 10 are supplementary. Why? Because of the consecutive interior angle theorem. Because of the consecutive interior angle theorem. Now that they're supplementary, I can show that they both add up to 180. And that's what I'm going to write here, that the measurement of angle 8 plus the measurement of angle 10, both of these are going to equal 180 when you add them up. And again, that's just a definition of what? Well, we just told they're supplementary, so that's going to be a definition of supplementary. Pretty straightforward from here. They want me to prove that 10 and 2 are supplementary. Well, if I can prove that 10 and 2 add up to 180, that is a definition of supplementary. But I already know here that 8 and 10 add up to 180, but I know 2 is the same as 8. So let's do a substitution here and say this. That the measurement of angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 10 is equal to 180. What did I do there? I substituted. And that's a substitution. Okay, a substitution property of equality. A substitution property of, pardon me, equality. And the last thing I'm going to do here is to say that, well, then angle 10 and 2 are supplementary. Okay, what are they? They're supplementary. Why? Well, if I've shown they add up to 180, that's just a straightforward definition of supplementary, and we're done.